If you are a regular user of the emboss feature, you will be well aware of a certain limitation. It can only be performed on faces with a single degree of curvature, such as a cylinder. It cannot be performed on a non-developable face, such as a sphere. The only way was to perform the emboss on a surrogate body and go through a series of multi-body operations to achieve an approximation. Well, we can say goodbye to those workflows now. With the new July 2023 update, emboss can finally be performed on non-developable faces. We have a sphere here with a string of text in front. There is no change to the emboss procedure. With the solid tab active, go to Create, Emboss. Select the text as the sketch profile. For faces, click on the Select box and select the spherical face. You can deboss as well. So I went back to a model that I used for a surrogate emboss video 2 years ago. That body has curvature in 2 directions. With this new emboss update, I'm able to directly emboss the pattern without the use of a surrogate body. I did face some distortion when trying to emboss a honeycomb pattern on a sphere, so there still appears to be some limitations. This is meant to be a quick update video. I will continue to explore with this updated command in the next few weeks and hopefully come up with a more fleshed out video. Do also take the time to give this a try. I will be keen to hear suggestions on how this can be used.